Today, I am going to find out which things around us are alive and which ones are not alive. Whoa, look at this flower. It started as a tiny little seed, and now it grew all the way up like this. Yes, the flower grows, so that means the flower is alive. Pretty cool, right? Oh, wow, look at this dog. He is eating his food right now, and living things need to eat. So the dog is alive. But wait, what about things that do not eat and do not grow? Let me go check. Hey, here is a ball. Does the ball eat food? Does it grow bigger all by itself? Nope. The ball does not eat and it does not grow. So the ball is not alive. Wow, check out this big tree. And look, Vipin, it makes seeds up in those branches. Yes, the tree grows and makes seeds, so the tree is alive. This is so amazing. Ooh, a toy car and a chair. Let me think. Do they breathe? Do they need food to grow? Nope. They never grow and they never breathe on their own. The toy car and chair are not alive. So here is what I found out. Flowers, dogs, and trees are alive because they grow, eat, or make seeds. But balls, chairs, and toy cars are not alive because they never grow or breathe. See you later, friends!